Hey, I'm Daniel, creator of FlowDeck, and in this video we're going to talk about devices, simulators, and runtime and how to manage them from FlowDeck interactive mode. So here we are in interactive mode, and as you can see we have a few keystroke commands that allow me to run this app and run some tests and so on and so forth. But if I hit question mark, I can see the entire list of commands that we have available. Now we want to go to devices, so I'm going to hit E here, and this takes me to the menu that allows me to manage the entire infrastructure. So let's start with runtimes. If I want to see the runtimes that I have installed in this machine, I can go to runtimes and hit view installed, and that tells me we have a few installed here. And I can also go ahead and install runtimes for every single version of iOS or other operating system that Apple offers. This downloads the runtimes directly from Apple servers and makes them available to use it for different simulators. Now, I'm not going to install a runtime here because it takes a long time, but you get the idea. Now, once you have some runtimes working, you can create simulators for them. So I can go ahead and say I want to create an iPhone. It's going to be an iPhone 13. And let's use 18.6 for that iPhone. Enter a name. I don't want to enter a name, just use the default. And that's it. It was as simple as that. Just create it. I can go to manage devices, find the iPhone 13 that we just created, and boot it. And there you go. The device is up and running. Now, one of my favorite commands here is the clone command. Now, many times you have a device that you have set up with some apps and data, and you just want a clean copy of it. Now, the clone command allows you to clone any device that you have available. So if I wanted to clone this iPhone 17 here, for example, I can just pick a name and it will clone the device. And at this point, I'll have the device available here as a cloned version of it. Exactly the same as the original one. Now, my second favorite feature is the prune unused simulators. Now, remember the last time you installed a runtime that Xcode installed like 1,000 simulators you don't want to use and you don't want to touch? This is designed specifically for that. So I hit prune unused simulators, then I hit yes, and this is gonna scan my computer for simulators that I haven't used in the last 90 days. And as you can see, it found 12 of them. So I can just go ahead and say yes, delete them, and it's going to clean up all the mess from installing a new runtime of using Xcode. As simple as that. Now, if I can go to manage devices, and I see all the devices that I care about. As you can see, it also deleted our cloned device because we never booted it. But it didn't delete our iPhone 13 Pro because we already used it. So this is, in a nutshell, how you use FlowDeck to manage your simulators, devices, and runtimes. Now, the good thing is you can also tell your agent to do it for you. So here we are in Claude Code, and I can just tell Claude, after installing the FlowDeck skills, to create a simulator for me. So let's say simple as that. So Claude is going to use FlowDeck, is going to check for the available runtimes that we have in the machine, the available simulators, and then create a device based on the characteristics I gave it. There you go. So we have a new iPhone 17 Pro Max using 26.3. And I can just tell Claude to boot it. And here we are. So you can use FlowDeck to create and manage runtimes and simulators from the command line, from interactive mode, or you can just tell your agent to do it for you. This is FlowDeck. Remember, we have a 7-day free trial and you can get it from the website. and join our Discord community to connect with other people building great stuff. I'm Daniel, and see you around.